Welcome to the TUC Library's first Faculty Recommendation Spotlight. These spotlights will give you a chance to hear what library resources your professors recommend. First up is Dr. Malouf, a professor in COM's Primary Care Department. He's going to tell us about one of his favorite resources, Pediatric Care Online. After Dr. Malouf shows you why you might want to use Pediatric Care Online, I'm going to remind you how to access it. Take it away, Dr. Malouf.
Pediatric Care Online is a large resource database designed by the American Academy of Pediatrics for quick access to information on a variety of pediatric conditions. Pediatric Care Online integrates a number of useful resources, including the AAP Textbook of Pediatric Care, a point-of-care quick reference, Bright Futures, the AAP Red Book, an interactive periodicity schedule, patient handouts, and much more. I like to use Pediatric Care Online because it allows me to quickly access a variety of information on pediatric conditions. I like how each article has direct links to the associated information. For example, I can jump from the Red Book section on methicillin-resistant Staph aureus to the AAP textbook section on bacterial infections of the skin to help develop my differential diagnosis. From there, I can jump straight to the pediatric drug lookup to find the appropriate antibiotic dosage. I use the AAP textbook of pediatric care, the Red Book, and AAP policy statements to help prepare for my lectures. I also use Pediatric Care Online as a teaching tool for third-year medical students in clinic. It allows me to rapidly access information, diagrams, and sample images to facilitate my teaching. I've also used it to help with patient counseling. I can show patients examples of what I'm looking for when I order an X-ray. I can use Bright Futures to help counsel them, and print out informational handouts approved by the AAP and its affiliates. When I'm not teaching, I like to access the PCO webinars to stay up to date on the most recent recommendations.
To get to e-resources that the library subscribes to, you should always follow a link from the library's website. You can find a listing of these e-resources on the library's A to Z databases page. There is a link to the A to Z databases page on every page of the library website. You can also find links to resources that are especially appropriate to your program of study listed in your program's research guide. If you are on campus and you follow a link to a database from the databases page or your research guide, you should go directly to the database. However, if you're off campus, you will first get to a web access management page where you will enter your name and your library barcode number. If you have any problems accessing library resources, please contact a librarian.